Hi guys, so if you're making the baseball card, you're going to follow along with this video. I know we said we were going to do it on paper, but we can actually print these, so it'll be really, really cool what we're going to do, okay? So if you're making the baseball card, you're going to go to your internet, you're going to type, click a new tab, and you're going to type in Canva, canva.com, okay? And then what you're going to do is it'll probably make you create an account. That's fine. Don't pay for anything. It's free, okay? There is a version you can pay for, but we don't need to do that, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to create a design. You're going to click that, go down to custom size, okay? And this is the width, so this is how wide a baseball card is. So a baseball card is 2 inches by 3 inches. Now, right here it says pixel. You need to change that to inches, okay? I need to go back. Now, if I'm going too fast at any time, you need to hit the pause button and then come back, go for it. Because I have to do that all the time when I watch tutorials, okay? So, here's the deal. Canva, it's a graphic design site. So, it gives you all kinds of really cool things you can use. So, like I can scroll down, or actually I can go right here to lines and shapes and I can click see all. And I can see all the lines and shapes that are offered. So if I want to put this thin double fine line in, I click, drag, and drop it, possibly. Nope, not anymore. I guess you gotta double click it. There we go. Okay, and then I can go in and change the size of it, right? And I can look at it. I can be like, I don't think that looks very good for a baseball card, right? The other cool thing is that I can type in here, baseball. And then here I can click photos, right? So what if I want Babe Ruth? What if I want to make a Babe Ruth baseball card, right? I type in Babe Ruth, and, maybe I didn't spell it right. Is there an O? Babe Ruth, baseball. Okay, let's do this. Let's just type in baseball player. Okay, so I can just pick any old baseball player. Let's pretend like this guy right here is famous, okay? We gotta find a free one. Let's pretend like that one's, you got paperwork. That's a video. Let's go to photos. And then I can also put that I want it to be free, not pro. Okay, so let's pretend like this guy right here is famous, okay? So I can put his picture on there, and then I can add text to it. I like that one. That one kind of looks like a baseball card, right? And I'm going to make up a name. I'm going to say Blake Wilderman, okay? Okay, and then I can change the color. I can do all kinds of stuff. So you guys just need to play around with it and see what you can come up with, all right? But this is how we're going to create our baseball cards. It's going to be super cool. I'm really excited about it. Oh, the most important part is that after you're done with the front, okay, make it like that. I'm actually probably going to change the color of the card. But, so this is the front of my card. I can add a page down here, and I can make the back of my card. So the back of your card should have the name of the person, stats, right? It should have info about, like a bio, that includes how they overcame barriers through sports, okay? So there you go. That's kind of how you do it. You just add all kinds of neat stuff in there, okay? It's going to be really awesome, and then we're going to print them out, and we will create our own little baseball cards. All right, guys, happy making.